Hello, tutor and classmates. My name is Hernan Delgadillo. I'm in 6th semester of bachelor degree in English as a foreign language. Today, I chose the article called "The Techniques in Teaching Listening Skill." First of all, I'm going to talk about the importance of listening skill. I've highlighted some important parts of the research in order to facilitate my presentation. Yes. Um, Listening provides a foundation for all aspects of language and cognitive development, and it plays a lifelong role in the processes of learning and communication essential to productive participation in life. On the other hand, listening is the first step for the students when they want to understand language, particularly English. Teaching listening is one of the most difficult tasks for teachers. This is because successful listening skills are acquired over time and with lots of practice. After that, I'm going to talk about the methodology used in this research. So, this research describes the techniques in teaching listening skill of the Islamic high school students. To collect the data, it was used some techniques such as observation, interview, and documentary. For that reason, we can say that this research is qualitative research because the author used observation and interview. And observation and interview are two characteristics of qualitative research. Mantri Van Pharmacy in South Kalisman is a school that has a language laboratory facility for teaching and learning English. Besides, an English teacher at Mantri Van Pharmacy uses certain techniques in teaching listening using the facilities in language laboratory such as tape cassette, television, and DVD. Method. The population of the research was an English teacher and 227 students of the 10th grade students at Mantri Van Pharmacy. Because of the large number of the students' population, the writer took only about 20% of them, so the total number of the sample were 48 students. To obtain the data, it is used the techniques of data collection. The data were collected by observation deeply. The writer came to the school and directly observed the condition of teacher, administration staff, students, and school facility. So, how we can see, the writer uses observation to do this research. For that reason, we can say that this is a qualitative research. On the other hand, the writer interviewed directly with some related person, such as headmaster, English teacher, students, and administration staff, to obtain data related to the primary or secondary data. How we can see, the writer interview, and the interview is another characteristic of qualitative research. Now I'm going to talk about findings and discussions. Based on the interview to the English teacher and observation in listening class of the 10th grade students at Mantri Van Harmasin, it shows that there are 6 techniques in teaching listening English teacher apply. And so the writer found that there are 6 important techniques that the teacher uses in his classes. These techniques were information transfer, paraphrasing and translating, answering questions, summarizing, filling in blanks, and answering to show comprehension of message. So this the writer found that these techniques were used by the teacher, and as a conclusion, the results indicates that the techniques in teaching listening applied by the English teacher of the 10th grade students at Mantri Van Harmasin in academic year 2009 and 2010 are information transfer, paraphrasing and translating, answering questions, summarizing, filling in blanks, and answering to show comprehension on message, and the student's ability of listening comprehension using 6 techniques is categorized in very high, and average levels. Thank you very much and see you soon.